Good morning to one and all. Respected Honorable Secretary Sir, and for giving this opportunity for our students to be a part of this We Enable program. We honestly thank you, sir. And I should really thanks even the government of Telangana for giving this opportunity. And congratulations to all the 20 students who could successfully complete, especially Samrin Arshi, who is the topper second position of all 600 plus students who have registered for this We Enable program. And I'm very proud that our Mufkamja College students could complete successfully all 100% results. All 20 students who have registered successfully completed the course. Once again, wish you all the best for making this program a grand success.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, Samia Fatima. I'm currently in fourth year, coming from an EC background. First of all, I want to thank you, Hajra ma'am and Ishrat ma'am, for always supporting. If they was not present, we can't say that we would graduate for this program. And also, I want to thank my HOD, Aisha Raz ma'am, for always encouraging us to join different events and conduct events. Uh, yeah, that's it. And also our college management for each and everything.
I'm Sheikh Azna Sultana from IT department. I'm currently in my last year, fourth year. So it was a really great opportunity which Hajra ma'am has introduced us. So, it's a government initiative for empowering women through a lot of innovative ideas, mentoring sessions, and connections. We were able to get connect with the women with the different tech experience, and as well as so we were able to participate in online and offline events where they were the sessions about the mental peace and how you can develop yourself and take explore many opportunities in the ways where you can improve your leadership qualities, as well as the confidence. You can improve the confidence. So it was a really great platform for a woman who want to improve themselves in all fields. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, my name is Aisha Saria. I'm from Computer Science Department, final year, and I would like to share about the project work that we would have access to. Company projects, and it was a group project. We got to learn lot of things and how to do the group projects and how the flow of the projects in a company is. We got to experience those, and also we have Microsoft Visit where we can explore the different positions and opportunities. So yeah, thank you.
So, good morning, everyone. I am Aisha Sania from IT fourth year. I had the privilege of graduating from Be Enable program, which was a 6 months long program. Throughout the program, I had the opportunity to go for exposure visits and participate in many offline and online events.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm Saliha and from AI&ML department, third year, and we enable really exposed us all to what in the industry is. I personally I had volunteered in the WSA awards thing, so I got exposure to a lot of people from outside, from various nations, and how they ideate and they discussed about digital literacy and at the same time digital security and digital governance. So a lot of political matters and issues and issues that are widespread in the world that needs solutions. All that has been exposed to us, and we really got an opportunity to think about that and how we can solve it. Thank
So it was a very competitive end at the ending of the program, because the completion of LinkedIn courses, we were in a race in which I got into the first position. Then due to my internals and all, I had to focus on the academics as well. So I gave it a little break. So I completed 2,500 courses, and the student who grabbed the platinum was ahead of 1,000 courses ahead from me. Sir, it was a great program in which we didn't only learn only about academics or technology, but we also got to know about networking with other colleges, other teams, how to interact and build our personality professionally. We also collaborated in many exposure visits such as Microsoft and Micron, where it is not easy for everyone to visit and get the exposure. And I also participated in projects and internships. It was easy for us to join internships through We Enable in many big tech companies like Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo, which came here for internship drive.